Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome to an old friend, or at least old friend. I mean, I still remember Tellor a lot from the moves it made right here, from basically September all the way until the beginning of November. But obviously it's been rallying again for almost the last month. So I wanted to cover it. I mean, TRB in general. I mean, just my general advice would be stay away. There's tons of opportunities in the markets right now, and there's cryptos that are way more predictable than TRB. Because honestly, I mean, with TRB right now, it's just super manipulated and super bullish. So at some point of time, this is going to crash, and it's going to crash down hard. Right? You can see right now, if you look at the volume, for example, there's a ton of volume coming from SuperX, WebC, UEE, those types of exchanges, and it is manipulated. All right, so that's what you should know. The project itself is decent as well. There's nothing wrong with the project, but if they're behind these moves, I mean, yeah, I'm not sure if I like the project that much. But like I said, I mean, I'm not trading it, so there's no hard feelings from my side. If you're long on this, then congratulations. So the big question is what's next? And like I said, and what I also tried to tell you is that it's difficult to predict TRB. All right, there's a strong resistance level coming up right here between 250 and 260. So obviously right now, if you look at TRB, there really is not much bearish about it. All right, the funding rate, I actually did not know that, but the funding rate right now seems to be low again, which reminds us again of that of that move in September and October. So that's bullish. There's an incentive to go long on this. And then apart from that, the open interest, especially in the last week, has grown exponentially. It's even like in the last 24 hours, it's going up a ton. So look, it's going to stay bullish. All right. At some point of time, like I said, it's going to crash down hard, and maybe that will be after 250 or 260. But it depends on that reaction. I expect some resistance from 250 and 260. But if from that resistance we stay above 220 and 225, which I think it's not the strongest support level, but I think that's the closest support level. If we're able to stay on top of that, then we're going up higher as well. And once 260 and 250 is broken, we're going up to 300. And that's just the way it is. All right. It's not that difficult. I mean, at this moment, there really is just nothing bearish about TRB. The momentum is there. Technically, it's bullish, obviously. I mean, we haven't had a bearish breakout in quite a while. And the funding rate is low. So that's another incentive to go long. It's probably increasing even if you look at the predicted funding rate for OKX. So yeah, I expect this to at least reach that resistance, and from there we'll see again. I mean, then it depends on how much resistance we find there and whether the open interest keeps increasing. If that keeps increasing, we'll break above 260 as well and get up to 300. So we'll have to wait for that. But like I said, I mean, at some point of time, and that's why I'm not trading this, at some point of time it's going to crash. So whether that's from 260, 300 or 400, I don't know. We'll have to see. But the moment we get a significant bearish breakout, so for example, if we would break out below 220 right now, or at the very least 210, then we will probably crash, or at least then we'll probably have a big move down towards the 160, and from there we'll see again. I mean, frankly, it's hard to analyze TRB, but like I said, right now I expect bullish momentum. Then depending on the resistance, we will either push through that, which I think is most likely, or this will be the resistance. But I will keep you updated on that. Don't worry too much about it for now. Those are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, then let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to check out my premium and signal group, and don't worry, or at least, well, just so you know, you will not get signals on TRE. But those are my thoughts. So thank you for watching. Have a great day all, and bye.